Did you know that tax debts can be wiped out or managed in a bankruptcy? Many people say you can't fight City Hall or you can't fight the IRS. Actually, you can if you know the rules and know your rights. The rules may seem straightforward in one sense, but only an experienced attorney will be able to guide you through this maze. There are a number of rules to satisfy to wipe out a tax debt in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. I am going to concentrate only on the time-sensitive ones. But be aware, each and every rule has to be independently satisfied. The first time-sensitive rule is the 3-year rule. 3 years must have passed from the date the tax return was due to wipe out the tax claim. Thus, a 2007 tax debt may get discharged if the bankruptcy is filed sometime after April 15th in 2011. The 3 years does not include any extensions you may have obtained, does not include weekend, holidays, or other circumstances that may have extended the due date. Now, these dates can get very tricky, and thus only an experienced attorney can decipher the proper time to file a bankruptcy to take advantage of these strict bankruptcy rules. The second time-sensitive rule is the 2-year rule. The due date of the return may be more than 3 years old. However, if the tax return was filed late, 2 years need to elapse before this rule is satisfied. As an example, if the 2007 tax return was not filed until April 15th of 2010, then only a bankruptcy filing after April 15th, 2012 would qualify one to wipe out that 2007 tax debt. Be aware, there has been a recent court ruling that may limit your rights with respect to a late filed return. Consult an experienced bankruptcy practitioner to help you with this. The third time-sensitive rule is the 240-day rule. Thus, even if the 3-year and 2-year rule have been satisfied with respect to any tax liability, more than 240 days must have passed since the tax claim was assessed. Thus, all 3 rules must be independently satisfied for the discharge of the tax debt to work. If this sounds very complicated, you better believe it is. Speak to someone in the know. Only someone with knowledge and experience of both bankruptcy and taxes will be able to guide you properly.